So this is the picture that we're going to start with. Your assignment, you're pretending like you need to change. You know, the client has come in and the client wants you to change the colors of the chairs. With these adjustment layers, what you're going to do is make selections around the chair, and then you're going to do your hue and saturation adjustment layer. To do that, you first want to make a selection. Okay. So I'm going to choose this orange chair. And when you start off doing the selection, it doesn't have to be perfect because you can go into Quick Mask and make it perfect. And I'm using my polygonal lasso. Make sure you have no feather. 0 on the feather. Once you have your initial selection, go into Quick Mask, and now you paint with the black and white. Again, make sure your default colors are up there, black and white. Don't use any grays. Okay, it has to be black and white. And black blocks, okay, and white will show the adjustment. Okay, so I'm going to paint with black. When you are, since the chairs have a lot of straight lines, you want to remember to paint straight lines, and that key is the Shift key. So you click your beginning point, hold down the Shift key, and click the end. You will have to let up of the Shift key, because if you don't, then you're going to be connecting those two. So click, hold down the Shift, click again, then let go of the Shift. Okay. Click. Make your brush a little bit smaller to get in here. All right, once you have a pretty good selection, then get out of Quick Mask. So now you have your marching ants. When you have your marching ants around the chair, you're now ready to apply that hue and saturation adjustment layer. Click on that. And again, when you look at your mask, black blocks. So black is blocking the adjustment on everything but the chair. Okay, where the white is, that's where you're going to see the adjustment. So then you're going to change the chair color. And then now you're ready to do the next chair. So you would make another selection, okay, around this chair. Use your Quick Mask to make it a better selection, and then you make another hue and saturation adjustment layer. When you're finished, you're going to have 5 adjustment layers. All of them are hue and saturation, and you need to make the chairs kind of darker. We're pretending like the client wants the chairs to be a little bit darker, so they're not this pastel of color. All right, so you're going to want to come in and make them a little bit darker, and also make sure when you are doing this, okay, so 5 adjustment layers. So let's pretend like you accidentally forgot to do the legs of this chair. Don't go and make another adjustment layer. These are your masks. You would just go on the mask and then paint either black or white, okay, to fix your mistake. Okay, don't go, when you're finished, you should only have these 5 adjustment layers. Another reason that you want to do the adjustment layers is because, let's say the client comes back in and likes all of the colors of the chairs except for this red one. So then you can come in and easily change just that color of the chair.